Tara, alamin natin, aralin, ano ang QRMA. Ito pala ay Quantum Resonance Magnetic Analyzer. So, yun yung meaning ng QRMA. At ano nga ba ang tungkol dito? A computerized wellness profiling system which involves a high innovation projects of medicine, bioinformatics, electronic engineering, and other sciences. It generates a holistic checkup of human body result in just a minute using the quantum medicine as the theoretical basis. It applies the advanced electronic equipment to collect the weak magnetic field of human cells for scientific analysis and determining the text person's health status and main problems, not only the physical performance but also psychological or mental situation, and putting toward the standard preventive recommendation. This is one of the major breakthrough in health monitoring technology for century to come. According to research studies, it is 96% up to 100% accurate depending on its series of model up to this time, AD 2014. Accuracy should be considered bearing in mind that the patient may not have experienced the symptoms of an illness, which is in its early stage. It is an individual guide of healthcare consultation for full body and toward health science, and have the advantage of completeness, non-evasiveness, non-intrusiveness, practicality, simplicity, and fastness, economy, easy popularization, etc. With the in-depth and development of scientific research, it will make a greater contribution for the cause of human health, having a broad development and application prospect. Ayun pala yon. May naintindihan po ba kayo? Kasi ako po, wala. No joke, char lang po. So, ayun po siya, yung QRMA. Magnetic Health Analyzer pala siyang tunay. Kaya, tara na, magpa-QRMA na po kayo. Pwede rin po kayo magpa-reserve. Basta meron po kayo dyan sa inyong lugar, 10 to 15 to 20 na tao, pupuntahan na po namin kayo. Importante pong malaman natin ang kondisyon ng ating kalusugan. At kung magkaganon po, re-recomendahan po namin kayo, hindi po ng mga synthetic na mga gamot, kundi organic po. Loobin ng Diyos, ibalik po natin yung mga dating mga kaparaanan kung saan ang mga gulay, prutas, mga pinagsama-samang dahon o herbal ang siya natin pong inumin upang makasiguro po tayo na tayo ay gagaling at hindi sirain ng mga synthetic na mga gamot ang ating katawan. Ang ating mga organs. At ang produkto po ng Victory Global sa sarili nilang farm, sarili nilang mga tanim, from harvest to vacuum. That way, napapanatili nito ang enzymes. Yung tipong buhay na buhay, do ang ating katawan ay nagpo-produce ng natural na enzyme. Ganun din naman po ang mga pagkain, prutas at gulay. Ito pala yung mga pinagsama-samang gulay at prutas, ginawang powder, kinapsulize upang makatulong maibalik sa dating natural ang kalagayan ng ating katawan. Basta tuloy-tuloy lamang ang pag-inom, tunay itong makatutulong at makagagaling dahil ang root of disease ang siya nitong target. So yun na lamang po. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Ang ingatan at gabayan kayo ng ating poong may kapal. Bye-bye until next upload.